Good morning everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of design, focusing on comprehensive design disciplines that enhance environments, products, and experiences. Throughout this presentation, we'll explore sustainable, functional, and user-centered approaches that are shaping multiple design fields. I'm excited to take you through how these strategies come together to create meaningful and impactful design solutions. Let's get started. When we talk about environmental design, the main focus is on creating spaces that meet human needs while also supporting ecological sustainability. It's about finding a balance between how we live and the health of our planet. One important aspect is the integration of natural elements with built environments. By bringing nature into our spaces, we can enhance health, comfort, and overall well-being. Material selection plays a crucial role here, choosing materials and energy-efficient systems thoughtfully, and taking the local climate and biodiversity into account helps reduce environmental impact. Ultimately, the goal is to design spaces that not only feel comfortable and promote health but also respect and preserve the environment, ensuring a quality life for current and future generations. Architectural design is the process of planning and creating building structures that not only fulfill functional needs but also express an artistic vision. It's much more than just constructing buildings, it's about shaping spaces that people live, work, and interact in. A key part of this process is considering human needs, ensuring safety, accessibility, and usability are all addressed, while also respecting the aesthetic and cultural context of the environment. Architects bring together technical knowledge and creative problem-solving to craft designs that inspire and truly serve the communities around them. Ultimately, architectural design strives to balance practical functionality with artistic expression, creating spaces that are both meaningful and useful. When we talk about crafting functional interiors, the main goal of interior design is to enhance indoor environments in a way that prioritizes comfort, usability, and style. It's not just about making a space look good, it's about making it work well for the people using it. To achieve this, interior design focuses on optimizing key elements like spatial layouts, lighting, and furnishings. These adjustments can significantly improve how efficiently and comfortably people live and work in a space. One of the most important aspects is finding the right balance between aesthetics and function. This means carefully choosing colors, textures, and materials not only to create a pleasing atmosphere but also to support the practical needs of the space. Finally, interior design is versatile and applies across various settings: residential homes, commercial buildings, and public areas, each requiring thoughtful consideration to meet specific needs. Industrial design is all about creating physical products that work well and look good. The core focus is on combining usability, ergonomics, and visual appeal to make sure the product not only functions but also connects with users. A big part of this is considering how the product feels and performs in everyday use, aiming for efficiency, safety, and comfort at every step. Designers dive deep into studying materials, manufacturing processes, and how users interact with the product to strike the right balance between practicality and aesthetics. This balance ensures the products are not only useful but also visually attractive. Ergonomics is especially important because it enhances comfort and safety, making sure the product fits the user's needs and reduces any physical strain during use. Together, these elements make industrial design a thoughtful blend of form and function. When we talk about product design, we're referring to the entire journey of creating consumer goods, from the very first idea all the way through to production. At its core, product design is all about innovation, finding new ways to meet user needs and making everyday life easier or more convenient. This process isn't just about dreaming up ideas, it involves hands-on steps like prototyping, testing, and refining to ensure the final product truly makes a difference. The ultimate goal here is to solve problems or add convenience for users, resulting in products that not only improve daily life but also give businesses a competitive edge in the market. When we talk about visual storytelling, graphic design is at the heart of it. It uses key elements like imagery, typography, and color to convey messages in a way that's clear and impactful. These components work together to make ideas not just seen but felt and understood. Graphic design is crucial in areas like branding and advertising, where visuals need to grab attention and communicate quickly. It helps spread information effectively by creating designs that are both engaging and informative. Designers approach this by blending artistic creativity with strategic communication, carefully crafting visuals that tell a story and connect with the audience on a deeper level. This combination is what makes visual storytelling so powerful. When we talk about designing seamless experiences, the main purpose of UX and UI design is to make digital interfaces not just functional but easy and enjoyable to use. It's about helping users navigate through applications smoothly without frustration. To achieve this, we need to deeply understand users, their behaviors, needs, and goals, so we can create layouts that feel natural, navigation that's straightforward, and provide feedback that responds instantly to their actions. At its core, UX/UI design is where visual appeal meets practical usability, striking a balance that boosts user satisfaction while making sure the experience is accessible to everyone. Ultimately, the goal is to craft digital environments that feel seamless, intuitive, and welcoming no matter who's using them. When we talk about interaction design, we're really focusing on how users behave and move through digital products. It's all about shaping those interactions so technology feels natural and easy to use. At the heart of this are the design elements, things like buttons, gestures, and animations. These aren't just visuals, they're carefully crafted to make the experience intuitive and efficient, keeping users engaged every step of the way. Ultimately, the goal is to create systems that respond thoughtfully and meaningfully, anticipating what users need before they even realize it themselves. This proactive approach makes digital journeys not only smoother but also more satisfying. Fashion design is at its core about more than just making clothes, it's about creating pieces that express cultural trends, personal identities, and artistic visions. Designers carefully choose materials, colors, and silhouettes to build collections that not only look appealing but also resonate with what's happening in society and what consumers want. These creative decisions are deeply influenced by cultural and social factors, ensuring that the designs feel relevant and meaningful. At the same time, successful fashion design requires a strong foundation in technical skills, combining creativity with expertise in garment construction and fabric technology to bring ideas to life. When we talk about enhancing customer experiences through service design, it's all about optimizing every process and touchpoint to boost both customer satisfaction and operational efficiency. Service design takes a holistic approach, meaning it looks at the entire journey customers take and how they interact with the service across all channels and moments. One key part of this is mapping those user journeys and identifying where customers face challenges or frustrations. By understanding these pain points, designers can craft smoother, more enjoyable, and highly effective service experiences. Ultimately, the goal is to deliver a seamless service that not only delights customers but also supports the service providers in running things more efficiently.